What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the Lenovo speaker, so let's get started. Whoa, there we go. So as you can see, guys, this is a Lenovo Soundbar TS33-B. Now this is so much amazing kind of soundbar for your setup. If you have a desktop setup, this is so much amazing because you just don't want those kind of speakers out there, which it's a little bit frustrating. Now, talking about speakers, last time we talked about the Red Dragon soundbar. If you didn't check it out, you can just click here, somewhere here. You can go directly and check it out. But today we're checking out this kind of bad boy from Lenovo, and it seems to be really amazing. And we're gonna just do an unboxing throughout it, and after that we do a quick test how much goody it is, and after that I think we wrap it up and it's gonna be really amazing. Let's get started through the video of today. So guys, there we have it. This is our desktop Think Plus soundbar from Lenovo, and we're gonna just do a really great and amazing unboxing through this kind of bad boy and see what's packed inside. To be honest, I'm really pumped to see what's happening on this kind of bad boy, and it's gonna be really great thing. So there we go. So let's do this. Whoa, there we go. So as you can see, first thing first, you're greeted with your kind of paperwork, you can call it, which is really amazing. I'm gonna keep it aside first, and another kind of stuff. This is our bad boy in here, and nothing else is left on the box. There we have it. This is our bad boy, right? We're gonna just see what's in here. What is Lenovo giving us? Is it something great or something crazy, or what is it? Because I'm really pumped, to be honest, and I just want to see what throughout this kind of speaker it's packed with. It's gonna be really amazing. Whoa, there we go. So as you can see, guys, throughout here, this is our bad boy. You're having your volume knob in here, which is really amazing. And on top of here, this is where your speakers they stay, just somewhere here and here. And another kind of stuff, this is your RGB light or your RGB indication of the lightning to showcase you throughout the speaker. We're gonna connect it and see how it works. And right now, as you can see, you're having this cable. So there is a USB cable which is here, and a jack cable, which this one connects on your PC and this one connects on your USB. That means this is for power and this one is for input of your audio. So right now we're gonna just test it because I really wanted to test it, and we're gonna be connecting it via the PC and see how this bad boy works. As you can see, first thing first, you're having greeted with RGB, which is really looking great, to be honest. I kind of vibe with that. And another kind of stuff throughout here, it's really staying stealthy. So whenever you're using this kind of speaker or keeping it on your setup, it's really stealthy speaker. It doesn't take a lot of spacing. It's like if I keep the Lenovo clock is a little bit halfway, like half the soundbar, but it's really great thing, quite not bad. And yeah, right now we're gonna just test it and see how it works. So we're gonna be doing a sound testing, so as you guys can hear how much the sound is speaking. So I'm gonna be playing the music. I'm gonna keep it, so this is low, this is like half low. What about it? Okay, quite not bad, quite not bad. To be honest, the speaker sound is really decent. It's quite not bad. It's really amazing, and throughout here it gives you its own kind of capability. It's not like something like the UE Boom 2, which we explored last time. It's quite powerful, but this one is just for soundbar. Whenever you just want to use your speaker for editing, for doing for listening to music, or doing any kind of task which contains audio, this is really amazing, and it's really budget, quite not breaking a bank, and it's really stealth. The RGB out of here really looks good. The material finish is really premium, and it's on plastic, and it's an ABS plastic, quite not bad. So yeah, should you upgrade your speaker, or if you don't have a speaker, will the soundbar from Lenovo really suitable for you? Well, definitely 100% yes, it will be definitely suitable for you. And this kind of soundbar comes really in handy. I like the way they kept the RGB really smoothly nice. I like the way they kept it. They're very compact compared to the Dragon, the Red Dragon, which we checked it out last time. It's really different. This one is a little bit like compact, quite not taking a lot of spacing, but you know what I mean. Throughout here is all about how much that good sound you can get. It's not like something you get massively like JBL stuff, but it's just something which is quite decent for usage, and it's really amazing for your desktop setup. So if you're looking for a speaker which is budget around, let's say around how much, around $30, around $35, you can get this kind of bad boy. And as some of you guys don't know, AliExpress has tons and tons of offers right now going on, some super deals, so you can grab your kind of bad boy over there, and it's gonna be really amazing. I'll leave a link down below in the description where I got it, so as you guys can grab it and enjoy throughout this kind of Lenovo Think Plus soundbar for your setup. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it on this video today. Another kind of stuff, let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the soundbar. Do you really need a soundbar, or you're sticking with your normal speaker which you have, or you're sticking with the built-in speaker which you have? Let me know in the comments down below. Another kind of stuff, you're watching this video, you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. You just don't want to miss out any kind of brand new tech out there, which is going to be really amazing. And another kind of stuff, I'm going to be bringing some new session on the YouTube side, which I'm gonna drop another video soon for Let Us Just Talk. So it's gonna be really amazing, and I think we have to change some few stuff here and there, and it's gonna be really amazing. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be catching you guys on the next tech videos. As usually, stay sharp and creative. And another kind of stuff, don't hesitate to press that subscribe button. So we need to hit up this year at least 10k subs. It's gonna be really amazing, and up to the next one guys, and peace.